Hi, Holger. Great to have this conversation with you on a special 25th anniversary milestone for Java.
Yeah, great to be here, and it's great to talk about Java, right? 25 years is a long time. In our estimate, over 80% of enterprises use Java SE, and some of them have deployed hundreds of critical applications on the platform. What drives them to use these critical applications for Java developers is the affinity for technology, which is broad and open, can be accessed by multiple sources, is available via diverse tooling, with a large ecosystem and compatibility in this, and overall a very good performance. When Oracle acquired Java, there was a lot of fear, uncertainty, and doubt, right? But it appears to me that Oracle has kind of like doubled down on the investment in Java compared to even the previous time under Sun. Do you have some examples for that?
Oracle has had a deliberate two-pronged strategy to ensure that Java technology continues to thrive. The first dimension is innovation. We wanted to make sure that the pace of innovation not only continues, but actually accelerates over time. And if you go back to the releases, 14, 13, 12, 11, and so on over the last 10 years, at least 80% of the contribution and the content of the release has come from Oracle. The second pillar of supporting the Java strategy and the growth for the Java platform has been on the community side. We want to make sure that the community continues to thrive. In order to do that, Oracle has sponsored and instituted several programs. They include support for over 350 user groups around the world, Oracle Academy that takes and educates the next generation, middle schoolers, high schoolers, and Oracle University that has offered classes and certifications on Java for a long period. In fact, they're reaching a million certification milestone shortly. That's quite an achievement on any platform.
That's great to see, and the popularity of the platform is certainly one of the major advantages of Java, right? The other aspect that enterprises care for is what will it cost me to operate and run that platform.
With the 6-month release cadence, we wanted to make sure that the technology was easier to consume. We wanted to make sure that there was predictability to it. But along with that, there was a need for an economic model. So the subscription offering from Oracle is intended to be exactly that. Transparent, pay-as-you-go pricing model, discount structures well-defined and published on the website. What we have seen from the customers and their responses that they value the fact that they can move at the pace of their business. So instead of having to upgrade their Java deployments every 6 months to get and maintain the updates of the securities, bug fixes, and so on, they can stick with the versions for whatever portion is relevant with prior releases and move certain portion of the deployment with the new releases, whatever works for them. In some of the models that are done by third parties, it's shown that over a 4-year period, enterprises that are leveraging the Java subscription from Oracle see roughly 30% savings over a process where they would be upgrading their entire Java estate every 6 months to keep up with the release cadence. This business flexibility has been really powerful and has been appreciated by the enterprise. And in addition to that, as a subscription customer, you also get quarterly patch updates, critical patch updates that have the security fixes and additional bug fixes that might enable you to have a lower risk parameter, a higher protection for your Java deployments. So those combination of things has really made the subscription quite powerful and accepted. And today we have several thousand subscription customers ranging from Fortune 10 to small development houses around the world.
That's all great news to hear. And then there's an inherent advantage, I think, of Oracle supporting of Java, giving your contribution to overall Java. How does it affect and change the support that you can offer enterprise for the next generation applications built on Java SE?
The fact that our development team and the technical support team are part of the same organization enables for higher competency. Every single member of the Java support team has at least 15 years of experience. So our customers get access to the highest class of technical resources available. They get proximity to the developers that are truly building the platform itself. And we want to make sure that the Java ecosystem and community continues to thrive. And we want to make sure that the innovation cycle continues to accelerate over the next 25 years.
Very impressive. So looking forward to what enterprises will be building the next few years to come.